how to add pictures in PowerPoint. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. If you want to enhance your PowerPoint presentation, adding pictures is a great way to make your slides more engaging. Here's how to do it. First, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to insert an image. Now, click on Insert at the top and then select Pictures. You will see a few options. This device. Select this if you want to add a picture from your computer. Stock images. Choose from a collection of high quality images. Online pictures. Search and insert images directly from the internet. For this example, I will select this device. Choose an image and click Insert. The picture will now appear on your slide. You can resize it by dragging the corners and move it anywhere by clicking and dragging. And that's it. Now you know how to add pictures to PowerPoint slides easily. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.